Is this another case of police corruption? Is this another case of people doing arrests, officers carrying out arrests when they shouldn't be, just to fill quotas, just to justify their wages, their salaries? Because a state trooper in Tennessee, made 41 DUIs, driving under the influence arrests, and prosecutors dropped every single one of them. Why? Let's have a look. Prosecutors in Tennessee have dismissed 41 DUI cases tied to a single highway patrol trooper after determining that many of the drivers were either within the legal limit of alcohol or completely sober. The news comes after the state admitted that it had arrested thousands of individuals for drunk driving, despite tests proving they had no alcohol or drugs in their system at the time of their arrest. It turns out the issue is not just tied to Tennessee either. Regarding the 41 dismissed cases, they all tie back to one trooper in particular, Asa Pearl, who is a trooper who worked with the department from 2021 through to 2024. 8 drivers, including Ron LaFlamme, reportedly had no substances detected in their system at all. LaFlamme said he was caught off guard when he was asked to perform a field sobriety test during the traffic stop, calling the arrest wrongful after tests later cleared him up. But what about Pearl? What happened to him? Well, according to WSMV, Pearl resigned from the Tennessee Highway Patrol in 2024, though his personnel file reportedly lists no reason for his departure and does not reference the dismissed DUI cases. Requests for comment from Pearl and the Tennessee Highway Patrol went unanswered. Now, to play devil's advocate, the devil in this case being the law enforcement, which tells you all you really need to know about the situation. You know, there are situations when someone can appear to be driving or appearing to be under the influence of drugs or alcohol without actually having any in their system. They can be very tired, for example. That can have a similar effect. And driving tired is dangerous, but it's not illegal. So there are circumstances where you can be pulled over and there's nothing wrong, but it appears as though something is wrong. Not that that justifies it by any stretch of the imagination. I'm just seeing why these people might have been pulled over in the first place. But 41 is obscene. And it's not something that's limited to Tennessee. Absolutely not. There are examples, according to WSMV, of the same situation happening in 20 different states across the US. And I'm willing to bet that this happens in every single state at some point. False DUI arrests do happen. I am sure they do. But with the amount that they happen, the frequency that they happen at, I should say, that's worrying. That makes you think, what's really going on here? Is this police incompetence? Is this police corruption? Could be all of the above. Depends how you look at it. And also a study from JAMA, J-A-M-A, from 2023 shows that officers failed over 49% of sober people who took part in a field sobriety test. So nearly half of the people who did these sobriety tests who were sober failed the test, according to the officers. Again, that's ridiculous. So if you get pulled over, statistically speaking in the United States, if you get pulled over for a suspected DUI and you are completely stone cold sober, you have a 50% chance, near as damn it, of getting arrested. Even if you pass the test, in reality, these people will still take you in for questioning. It's absolute insanity. How is this a thing in a Western civilized country? Or what should be a Western civilized country? And it's a story that we've covered before. I think Tennessee is the worst offender when it comes to this. But again, that study from WSMV, that is really, really concerning. 21 states at least have seen this happen. I reckon it's happening in all 50, 100%. But guys, get your thoughts in the comments below on this. Is this a big problem? Have you experienced this? Get your story down below. I want to hear what you have to say about this. Like, share, comment, and subscribe as always, guys. Have a fantastic time wherever you are in the world today. And yeah, if you're in Tennessee and you're driving around, be careful. You don't want to get pulled over for a false DUI.